Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to study the sounds that make up English language. The 44 phonetic sounds. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನ 44 phonetic sounds ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. If you are looking to improve your pronunciation or understand the foundations of spoken English, the video will help you master each sound with clear examples of both vowels and consonants. ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನ ಅಡಿಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ವೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಮೇತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 26 English alphabet gives 44 phonetic sounds that form the core of English pronunciation. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆಯ ಸಾರ ಇರೋದೇ 44 phonetic sounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ. According to International Phonetic Alphabet, 26 letters gives 44 sounds which make the entire English pronunciation. ಈ 44 ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫಾರಿನರ್, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಫೋನೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು 44 ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೋವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೋವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ video is very very important, so don't skip the video. Please watch the video till the end. Come to vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds in English, and again they are divided into short vowels and long vowels and diphthongs. Come to short vowels. See example I, that gives the sound E, as in bit, kit, sit. Come to the next vowel E, that gives the sound A, as in bed, pen, met. In these words we can see we pronounce the letter E as A, that is bed, pen, met. So observe the middle letter that gives the sound as A. Next one, Ya. See the phonetic transcription of this sound Ya, as in cat, bat, hat. We can observe the sound Ya. That is what? Cat, bat, hat. Next one, we can observe the phonetic transcription of this sound as in cup, sun, fun. Though there are letters U in the middle of the words, but they give the sound A. So as in cup. So you don't pronounce it as cup. That is cup. But there is a letter U, but it is pronounced as A. Likewise, sun, fun, etc. Next one, O, as in pot, not, lot. That gives the sound O, that is pot, not, lot. Next one, short vowel U, as in put, foot, book. That gives short vowel sound U. See the phonetic transcription of this sound, that is U. Next sound is schwa sound, that is about, sofa, banana. So in these words we can observe the sound schwa sound. Come to long vowel sounds. There are 5 long vowel sounds in English. They are E. The phonetic transcription of this sound is I and colon. That becomes E, as in sea, tree, key. So you can observe the long vowel sound, that is E, in these words. Next one, A, as in car, father, park. We can observe the long vowel sounds A in these words. Next one, O. The phonetic transcription of this sound is reverse C and colon. So as in so, low, as in so, low, more. So we pronounce it as, that is saw. I saw him yesterday, like this. Law, that is law of the nation. And more. In these words we can observe the long vowel sound, that is O, that is so. So law, so, that is law, law of the nation. Likewise, more. Next one, long vowel sound U, that is U and colon. See the sound in these words, blue. You can observe long vowel sound U. Likewise, food, not food, that is food. You can observe long vowel sound U. then mood. Likewise, that is O. See the sound here, bird, her, turn. In these words we can observe the sound O, bird, her, turn. Come to diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs in English. For example, A, E-I, that becomes A, as in they, say, play. In these words we can observe the sound A, that is they, say, play. Diphthongs means combination of 2 vowel sounds are called diphthongs. 2 vowel sound ಅನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು diphthong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here you can observe EI, that is A. Next one, I. We get the I sound with the combination of A and I, that becomes I, as in the words my, cry, fly. You can observe the end sound as I. Next one, I, as in boy, toy, joy. So in these words we can observe the sound I. It is also combination of 2 vowels. Next one, ow, that is A and O, that becomes ow, as in now, cow, how. So we can observe the 2 vowel sounds, that is ow, in these words. Next one, O, that is A and O, that becomes O, as in go, no, so. In these words we can observe diphthong O. Next one, E-A, E-A, that is what I and A, that becomes E-A, as in ear, here, near. You can observe here the diphthong sound E-A in these words. Next one, A, as in air, care, fair. See the last diphthong, that is U-A, as in words tour, cure, pure. In these words we can observe the diphthong sound U-A, that is combination of 2 vowel sounds, that is U-A. Friends, that's all about vowel sounds. Before continuing the video, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and comment and like my videos. Let's go to consonant sounds. In English there are 24 consonant sounds. They are again divided into different types like voiced consonants, voiceless consonants, and special consonant sounds. Come to voiced consonants. These sounds make vocal cords vibrate. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ವೋಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ವೋಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್, ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್, ಜಿ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋ, ಡಿ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಾಗ್, ವಿ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್. We can observe the vibration of our vocal cords when we are pronouncing these consonants. Bat, go, dog, van, z as in zebra, z as in measure, that gives the sound z. We can observe vibration of vocal cords. See the picture of vocal cords here. Vocal cords ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. And n as in no, L as in love, and R as in red, and ya, that is as in yes, yellow, etc. So these are voiced consonants. Come to voiceless consonants. These sounds don't use vocal cords. Voiceless consonants ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು vocal cords ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. See for example, P as in pen. So just ನಾವು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we can observe here pen, and T as in top. ಅದೇ ತರ K as in cat. Cat ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ C ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ that gives the sound K. ಅದೇ ತರ F as in fan. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ vocal cords ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That's why they are voiceless consonants. ಅದೇ ತರ S as in snake. Then S as in ship. Likewise, think. See the phonetic transcription of this sound. T as in think. Likewise, H as in hat, and Ch as in chop or change. That gives the sound cha, chart, like this. Come to the last type of consonant sounds, that is special consonant sounds. Example, DZ as in judge, as in church. These words come under special consonant sounds. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand and practice the 44 phonetic sounds in English. Keeping these examples, you can further improve your phonetics or English sounds. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on English language learning. Thank you and see you in the next video.